Hey guys, Terry here, and I'm doing a devlog on this new game that I want to call Rebellion. I'm going to call this devlog 0 because the game really is at point 0. I've spent most of my time refining the player controls with a few simple things. So on a lot of platformers, when you run and you go to jump off the edge, it won't actually jump because the is grounded function won't detect that you're grounded because technically you're not, but human eye coordination isn't refined enough to where you can hit it at the right time all the time, basically. So I've taken a tip from some other game devs, and you can actually jump when you're slightly off of the platform. Just slightly. It's on a timer, like 0.2 seconds or whatever. In a lot of my games, I get, the feedback that my controls aren't responsive, so I'm trying to fix that. I do the same thing with jump so that it feels more fluid and responsive. So most people will hit the jump button before they actually hit the ground. Now, even though I've added camera shake to show when you hit the ground, human eye coordination is a factor here. So I've added a timer on that too for jump, and I don't actually detect if the jump key was pressed. I detect if the jump key was pressed in the last 0.2 seconds. It seems to be a good time to make it feel real responsive because there's nothing worse than hitting a button and nothing happened. Now also I've done the slide. That's a walk slide, and then there's the sprint slide, so you can slide under objects. That took a lot of a lot of programming. See, and if you notice, you only heard one coin noise. That's because the sound clip for my coin is too long, and an audio source will only play one sound at a time, so the sound hasn't stopped playing. I gotta tweak that. Anyways, devlog 0. This is a game called Rebellion, and it's going to be about this knight here, and of course his girlfriend was kidnapped by the king, and so he rebels against the king and fights the entire kingdom, all the minions, just to get back to his true love. Right now it looks like nothing because devlog 0. You know what I mean? The game's at the 0 point. I just have a player controller that's fairly refined. It works pretty good. Double jump is a thing if I want it to be. I don't have it turned on, but more mechanics I can introduce later on in the game. There's also attack. I haven't implemented that yet. So, alright guys, tell me about your games. I just kind of wanted to show you what I'm making right now, and early on, games don't look like much. Why put a beautiful background and beautiful scenery if my player controller is shite? You know what I mean? So I like to go through, in a game I care about, I like to tweak a lot of things first, and then go through and flesh out the pretties. Alright, hopefully I'll see you guys again. See you in the next video.